Hey guys, and you're watching the Dreamy Vlog. Hey guys, good morning. This is Fazanul. So it's 5:30 in the morning already, and I usually start my day with jogging. So let's start a productive day. So let's get started. This is my favorite place in my city, Legazpi city, because I got a lot of memories here. Yeah, it's really hard to move your ass early in the morning from your bed, but to kickstart your day, we have to do it. I'm gonna go and buy some basic groceries. Brown bread, because it's good for health. 29 September expiry. To go, we have to provide our data to track the COVID cases. Thank you. Have a good day. First thing in the morning, coffee. So guys, this is my calendar, and that's how a medical student messy to-do list looks like. So for today, I have a packed schedule. So I got OB quiz at 2 p.m. I got Zoom meeting at 4 p.m. I got gym. Then I had to make YouTube video, which I'm making. I had to do Kamal KV book. I had to do dance one, and then MCI one, and then jog. So for now, only jogging is done. As we all are facing coronavirus right now, and it's pandemic time, so most of the students are having online classes. Same goes with us med students. We are not having face-to-face clerkship. We are not going to hospital and learn there, but instead we are staying home and getting lectures. Yeah, it sucks, but we are not having any other options left. I would suggest you guys, it's better to stay home and keep yourself safe. But personally, I don't like staying home, because if I study at home, I get sleepy or not in the mood to study. So I prefer to go to a cafe or a workplace. But at the same time, I follow the precautionary measures to avoid myself to getting infected. So I always carry a face shield, that's mandatory, and I carry a face mask that everyone has to wear it, and I keep a sanitizer with me. So no matter what, but the learning should not stop. Hi. Can I have burger with fries?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
So this is my favorite place in my city, Legazpi city. It's a workspace, at the same time it's a cafe. So the food, as you can see, it's really good, and the environment is really soothing, so I can be very productive here. So the learning should not stop. As you guys know that I'm a medical student in Philippines. So once I go back my country, India, I have to take an exam, foreign medical graduate exam, which conducts by Medical Council of India every year. So to prepare for that exam, I use a book written by Dr. Deepak Marwa and Dr. Siraj Ahmed, which is a very good book. It contains a lot of MCQ, a lot of image-based question, which helps you to prepare for the exam. As I told, this book is really good, so I highly recommend this book to prepare for your FMG exams.
कर जैसे सर की बच जाए ना सीटी तब तक मार रट्टा मार हो पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार रट्टा मार चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से तू.
This is an app named PrepLadder. I use it for my NEET PG and FMG exam preparations. This app is really good and concise for me. It gives me the knowledge I should have as a math student and help me prepare for my exams. These notes are provided by PrepLadder app. This one is Gynecology and Obstetrics by Dr. Prasan Vij.
No. चल 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 अब उठ भी जा, नस नस में तू जोश जगा. कुछ भी नहीं आसान यहाँ, अपनी राहें खुद ही बना. मेहनत कर पसीना बहा, रुकना और थकना है मना. जीतना चाहे कर तू यहाँ, कर खुद को तैयार जरा. Get ready to fight. Get ready to fight. Get ready to fight. Get ready to fight.
So that's all for today, and that's how I usually spend my days in this pandemic. Hope this virus will get over soon and we'll get back to our normal life. I'm eagerly waiting to go to hospital and work there. At last, just before sleep, I read something which is not related with medical world, and currently I'm reading this book, which is Rich Dad and Poor Dad, written by Robert T. Kiosk, and it's a very good book about financial education. Hope you like this video. Kindly like and comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.